This small AI coin is right now exploding and could be the next AI sensation. In this video I will talk about this coin AITECH and I will share my price prediction with potential price targets and potential buy zones to make maximum profits. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, AITECH is on place 426 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $130 million. The coin has existed since 2023 and we are right now seeing this all-time high. And as you can see, since the beginning of the year we are rising to the upside. We are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs. And recently after we got this push we saw this consolidation right here. And then after this consolidation we saw this push to the upside. And I think the chances high that AITECH is one of the next performing best cryptocurrencies in the AI space. Because again, as you can see, we just have 130 million market cap. So there's a lot of potential to the upside. And if we would compare the market cap right now to render right now, we would have potential over 33x and a price target of $9.41. Of course, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But Render is one of the best performing AI crypto coins in the whole space right now. And I think the chances high that we could see even higher prices than Render. And I think the chances also high that Render will see even higher prices at the peak of the bull run. So I personally think that we have a lot of potential to the upside. And if you don't know where to trade AITECH, you can do this on BingX. BingX has a large variety of different cryptocurrencies, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You'll find a link in the description. And if you're looking again at the chart, you can see that we are really bullish right now. And I think the chances also high that we could see massive higher prices just from these levels. So if you're not invested right now in AITECH, I think this kind of price targets are already a great chance to get into a potential long trade. But if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. Because after this longer consolidation, we then saw this massive move to the upside. And the chance if we come back into this zone that we continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think it's definitely a great area to get into potential long trade on AITECH. But I'm not really sure if we're reaching this kind of prices, because often when AI coins are at the hype right now and are exploding to the upside, the chance that we go directly to even higher prices is there. But as I said, if we come back into this zone, then I think it's definitely a great technical zone to get into a potential trade. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like this, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all, I think AITECH has a great potential to the upside. We are already seeing this massive move to higher prices. But as I said, the market cap is really low compared to other altcoins. But as I said, the market cap of this AI coin is really low in comparison to other AI cryptocurrencies. And I think the chance of an 30x is easily possible for AITECH. Of course, again guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But I'm really bullish on AI coins. And if I'm finding AI coins that are low in price or low in market cap, I think that are great deals for a potential long trade. But as always guys, keep in mind to have a strict risk management. And guys, don't put your whole money into one coin, especially smaller coins have an even higher risk. So we have a lot of potential to the upside, but the chance for a big crash is also there. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.